of Ducktown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Cherokee County, including the following locations: Hilos Dam, Violet, Marble, and Anaka. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Wow.
At 8 p.m. in Gainesville, light rain
That was definitely unexpected.
71 degrees, dew point 68, relative humidity 90%. Wind west at 3 miles an hour.
Another tornado warning.
Pressure was 29.99 inches